Tkizzy back with a video, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I got this chicken from the gas station. Yes, the gas station. You know what I'm saying? Got to get a little heavy. Gotta get big, boy. You know what I'm saying? But hey though, doing a little mukbang, you know what I'm saying? Today really, I was like supposed to do some public interviews and all that today, but can't find no cameraman. I had one, but really he my co-worker, but I had one, but he said something came up, so you know what I'm saying? Just out here stuck. So I found one. Like, you know what I'm saying? Got the hot sauce, crystal, 2 biscuits, Fanta, soda, drink some water after that. A breast in the thigh. Boy, I'm so hungry, bro. And bro, look at these little small biscuits, bro. Like, bro, come on, bro. We black. We need Church's Chicken biscuit, you know what I'm saying? But, hey, I'm finna go and dig into it. Y'all like, comment, subscribe to the video, you know what I'm saying? I don't care, let's get it. Put a little hot sauce, got a little gas station chicken, you know what I'm saying? Be the best chicken for real though. Bro, I'm telling you, the gas station chicken be the best chicken. That's for real. Hey, by the way, I eat fast. But anyway. Yep, well, I'm wrong fight. Oh, look. I went down the wrong fight. Hey. Oh. But I got my eye water a little bit. But yeah, I'm back. Anyway, which is so good, I can't even talk right. You know what I'm saying? But today, I really go to Cumberland and Lennox again. But I didn't have no cameraman, so I had to do a plan B. And I was kind of hungry too. I'm gonna lie. So I was like, man, let me just make a mukbang. That's what I'm doing. Y'all, bro, look at this chicken, bro. Yes, so. This chicken hot too, by the way. I'm trying to spare it. Well, it's so good. And then, what make it so crazy? The Arab cooked it. The Arabs. I think the Arabs are Indian, one of them. They all look the same, but hey, it's not so good. I'm smacking too, I don't care. But yeah, I was supposed to go to Lennox today, in Cumberland, and probably to some other mall. Yeah, this the thigh, by the way. This how black folk eat chicken for real. Tell me, if you from down south or Georgia, this how black folk really eat chicken. They don't care if it's hot, cold, or when they see chicken, it's going down. I don't know. It's just really something about that chicken with black people. I don't know what it is. Oh man, look at my hot. And sprinkle on the skin. Save that little. Got a biscuit little. Public interview coming soon. I'm going back to the beach. I ain't going to Miami though. I'm going to Panama City. So, doing a bunch of them. You know what I'm saying? This time, they gonna be different. Look at the chicken. This chicken really bigger than my head. Like, for real, for real. I'm gonna be in the bathroom later on. I already know. But I'm doing that. Public interviews. I'm doing some pranks. You know, coming up with new bangers. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I appreciate the views too. On that Miami part 1, that public interview, Miami edition, I hit 1K. Nah, I hit 1,450. I swear. But yeah, though. Hey, y'all get that other video, that part 2, to 1K footage. Y'all know, man. Ain't no subscribers. I really appreciate y'all for real. Y'all really sticking through. You know what I'm saying? Almost the road to 1K. This junk is so good, bro. Bro, look at this chicken. Ooh wee! Look at that chicken, like that's how you cook some chicken. Woo! I'm finna, hey, for real though, I'm finna start doing some mukbang. I'm tripping. This is so good.
Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama, don't it, Willie?
Yeah, boy. Hey, mama.
What the hell you want, Willie?
Nah, biscuit I got left. Little biscuit. I found to that time, boy. Eye water. Woo. Let's get back to business. But yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all about the trip. The trip was fun. I just didn't want, I just didn't do like what I really wanted to do. I met some YouTubers down there. I met a whole bunch of YouTubers. Met some female down there, of course, that. Come on, man. They kids you talking to. I mean, they kids ain't you looking at. So, no kids that go pull son. Like it or not, I don't care who you is. No kids that go pull son. You know what I'm saying? We went to the DJ Khaled restaurant. It called Finger Licking, like F-I-G-G-A and Licking. Went there. I'm sweating, golly. can't believe I'm swearing by eating chicken. Give me the fat boy vibe. But I went to some restaurant they called Honey. I think that's downtown somewhere. But boy, when I tell you, boy, they got some pancakes and bro, the eggs, bro, I swear to God, bro, I ain't never taste no scrambled eggs, just like theirs before. Like, you know how black people say our grandma could throw down in the kitchen, right? I'm like, hey, them scrambled eggs, bro, they were better than grandma. I swear. Some scrambled eggs, bro. Out of all the food, yeah, some scrambled eggs. I don't know what they put in them eggs. I don't know if they had a perk 30 or a bean, steroids, whatever, but them eggs banging, boy. Them eggs were banging, boy, I swear. Miami, boy, them folks can cook down there now. I'm not gonna lie with you with that. I really can cook. Ate my biscuit, that was my last little piece. I'm gonna go back there, I know. I don't know when. This time, it's just gonna be me and the guys. Me and the family, whoever. You know what I'm saying? I wanna go to New Orleans and Houston. You know what I'm saying? I wanna go there, but I'm really hot for eating chicken. Yeah, I wanna go to New Orleans and Houston. Oh yeah, let me tell you, y'all. I'm going to Jamaica for the first time traveling out this country. I'm happy too. And like, we staying there for a week. Man, but you know we finna turn up. Jamaica too. Man. I'm gonna do some parasailing, jet skis, swimming with the dolphins, whatever they got. I don't know. Just know, bro, that junk's gonna be lit. Public interview down there. You already know that. Pranks. Vlogs. Whole bunch of that. Yeah. Bro, I really just ate all this chicken. I guess this is my sofa for the night, 'cause I'm so full. Gotta get that little, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get that little, that leftover meat. That's how you clean some chicken. That's how you clean that bird. Ooh, excuse me. I'm sorry, y'all. That's how y'all clean that bird. I'm full, y'all. Tripsy drill in the middle of the night. I can teach you how to fight. That's what that man said, man. Y'all, that gas station chicken, bangers. Yeah, though. I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe to the video. Oh, hold on. Hey, let me show y'all my chicken. Hold up. Woo. This is fat, bro. When y'all see my chicken, y'all gonna say, bro, this boy, I know he can eat. I'm telling you. Let me show y'all though. Look at this chicken. That's how you Cleveland chicken. Cleveland chicken. Ooh, I'm full. Soda come through every time. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe to the video. Get me to 900. Get me to 900 subs. Please. I'm still eating the chicken. Man. It's your boy Tkizzy. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, everywhere. You'll see more of my videos coming up. You know what I'm saying? Drop this video tonight, so y'all be on the lookout. And Tkizzy out.